It's time to create a function for ice cream view. So let's get started and make the function now. So we will go here with def. I'll be creating with ice creams, and here we'll be passing the request. With this we'll be giving colon, and here we will be giving information about number of ice cream that people want. So I'll be writing num underscore of ice creams, which will be equal to 2. Here I'll be giving some descriptive variables so that if we will read our code afterwards, we'll be totally remembering why we created such variable and for what purpose we have created. So it will be easy for us. So here I'll be giving filled underscore multi underscore ice underscore form, which will be equal to multiple ice form. Now we will pass inside of this our request dot caps get. Here it will give the number that user provided between 2 and 10. It's for ice creams. So here we need to check and make sure whether it is valid or not. So I'll be giving if filled multi ice form dot is underscore valid. If it is valid, we'll be giving num of ice creams will be equal to filled multi ice form dot clean data. We will give here clean data, and inside of this clean data we just need the number field. So in square brackets I'll be giving num of ice creams. Here it will be confirmed that number of ice creams will be between 2 and 10. Now we need to create a class which is going to hold a form set. In order to do this, first we need to import some code above, which will be from DJANGO import from DJANGO dot forms import Formset underscore factory, which is highlighted in suggestion. After this we will come to our code, and we need to create a class over here using this Formset factory. So I'll be coming to here ice form set, which will be equal to Formset factory. With this we are going to pass ice form, and also we have to give this pair, which will be equal to num of ice creams. That means how many things that we want to have will be equal to number of ice creams. That could be anywhere from 2 to 10. Here we have a class called ice form set. Now we need to create a form set. So I'll be coming with enter, then I'll write form set, which will be equal to ice form set with parenthesis. We will keep it initially empty. Now we need to make a situation. If this is a post or get, we will handle it accordingly. So let's say if request dot method is equal to post, it should be in string, here if we have been receiving ICE form information, we will say filled underscore form set, it will be equal to ICE form set with parenthesis. So let's go ahead and fill that in with our request. So request will be request dot post. With this we can get ice cream request information. So with this in place, we will check if the data is valid or not. So here after this we will type if filled form set dot is underscore valid, if the data is good over here, so we will loop through each of ice creams. So I'll write for form in filled underscore form set so that we have just known that filled form set is just validated over here. If we have this, then we will print all the informations, and the information will be including form dot the cleaned data, cleaned underscore data, and the data we are looking for will be printing out just the topping one, which will be in string. Here we need to provide some note also, which will be highlighted after seeing that filled form set is valid. It will print note is equal to with string ice creams have been ordered. Now we have to see the other side of the coin for else condition. If the data which we are getting is not valid, so what we will do in that case, we will put else and we will give a note over there with note is equal to something, please try again kind of. So I'll write over here order has not been created, please try again. So with this all in place, we want to return a render of the request. So I'll write return render and I'll pass request. We also want to pass the proper template, which does not exist as of now, but we will create that in some moments. So I'll give with colon ice cream with slash ice creams dot html. And after this we need to pass some note over there. So with comma I'll give note which will be in string, and this will hold a value of note. After this we will be passing a form set which will hold the value of form set that we have created earlier. So I'll write colon form set with colon form set. So with this all in place, we have to save here. Now in the next video we'll be seeing the other thing, like if we get request to this, how we will handle this situation. Thank you.